In this lesson, we want to explain selection tool. This tool is to use select part of the photo and separate it. There are different types. Rectangle selection mode, as you can see when you select it, where you can select and separate part of the photo by selecting, click and dragging. Ellipse mode, polygon, or freehand that's used to select the desired area in different situation. Now, for example, I'm in a rectangle selection by clicking and dragging this logo or this part of the letters. Now in its setting, as you can see, we select it and separate it. And now its settings asks you how to do the background fill. When we separate that part, what should be in below it? Be transparent, that is empty, or autofill. When you select desire and its setting sets you autofill that isolated area based on its location and fill the background, as you can see. This method itself has two options. Speed mode, which is done quickly fill based on the area around the location, and the photo quality does the same, but its quality is better. Okay. The snap to object option is for when there is an object in the selection area. For example, this logo or this letter, we want to select exactly that letter, that object. In settings, there is a slider that determines the amount of the process in the selection, less or more. The more selection area is closer to the object boundary. Okay, in this photo, we want to give you an example about the freehand mode. In the freehand mode, or first polygon mode. Polygon mode, as you can see, you can click like a polygon to choose easily. But in this photo, we want to separate this flower. We have to use freehand to do this. Okay, as you can see, with the freehand mode, we select it by selecting and dragging, and release the mouse, and as you can see, the flower is selected and you can separate it. Use the selection mode in different situations that you can do the better job. Okay, that is in selection. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.